in case of aldol condensation, the primary condition is carbonyl compounds with alpha hydrogen. Carbonyl compounds with alpha hydrogens always undergoes aldol condensation. This process takes place in presence of dilute base or an acid. If you take Cannizzaro reaction, in case of Cannizzaro reaction, no alpha hydrogens, and the reaction is carried out in presence of concentrate base. In case of aldol condensation, compounds with alpha hydrogens required, and the reaction takes place in presence of dilute base or dilute acid. Okay. Now, this is acetaldehyde, this is acetaldehyde, both I am taking acetaldehydes. Now, can aldol condensation takes place maybe between two aldehydes or maybe between two ketones. Now, I am taking aldehydes, CH3CHO, this is CH3CHO. Now, known to you, whenever CH3 group attached to strong electron withdrawing group, this is electron withdrawing group. These hydrogens are acidic in nature. These hydrogens are acidic in nature, and hence CH3CHO, now this hydrogen is acidic in nature, it gives H plus ion. Now this is plus and this is minus. Now this bond is more polar, known to you. This is minus and this is plus. Right? Now this CH2 part gets added up here, this hydrogen moves towards this oxygen and changes to CH3 as it is. Next, this hydrogen moves toward this oxygen and becomes OH. Now this hydrogen remains. Now this CH2 CHO part gets substituted here and it changes to CH2COOH. Now this is known as beta hydroxyaldehyde. Now this is alpha, this carbon is alpha, this carbon is beta. Now this is known as beta hydroxyaldehyde. This part is aldehyde part. Now this beta hydroxyaldehyde is known as aldol, and hence this reaction is known as aldol condensation. Now this aldol on heating, it loses water molecules like this, and between these two you will get the double bond. Now this is unsaturated aldehyde. Now this compound is unsaturated aldehyde, that is known as crotonaldehyde. Now this reaction is aldol condensation. Maybe it takes place between two aldehydes or between two ketones, and the primary condition is alpha hydrogens required. This is alpha hydrogen and this is also alpha hydrogen. And it takes place in presence of dilute base or acid. Now next example you take CH3CH2CHO propanaldehyde, and this is CH3CHO acetaldehyde, right. So in presence of base, this acetaldehyde is more acidic, and hence the reaction between these two gives rise to that compound. Now CH3CHO, this is acetaldehyde, this is again propanaldehyde. Now in presence of acid, in presence of an acid, now this is more acidic. Now this is more acidic. Now this hydrogen is more acidic. That between these two condensation takes place, and that aldol condensation gives rise to this compound. Next. Now one aldehyde I am taking, another one is ketone I am taking. Between aldehydes and ketones, aldol condensation takes place. This aldehyde ketonic methyl group or methyl hydrogens are more acidic, and hence between these two condensation takes place and gives rise to this compound. Now this type of condensation is known as cross aldol condensation, just like as a cross Cannizzaro reaction between this is aldehyde and this is ketone. Between aldehydes and ketones, these are acidic. Aldehyde ketonic hydrogens are more acidic. Now this is known as cross aldol condensation. Next, go through the question. This is the now question. This is formaldehyde and formaldehyde and benzaldehyde. Mixture of formaldehyde and benzaldehyde on reaction with dilute base. In the next case, on reaction with concentrated base. Known to you, both are aldehyde. This is aldehyde, this is also aldehyde. In both the cases, no alpha hydrogens. Right? no alpha hydrogens. So you know Cannizzaro reaction, dilute OH minus. Dilute base means that is aldol condensation. Concentrated base means Cannizzaro reaction. So one is given aldol condensation, another one is given Cannizzaro reaction. So between the two, no alpha hydrogens, and hence aldol condensation doesn't take place. So no aldol condensation here because absence of alpha hydrogens. Now Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction.